Hello there. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. So today I'm going to show you how to earn $2 every 60 seconds into your PayPal account right now. Okay, now without wasting our time, we're going straight to what we have for today. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn $5 every 60 minutes or $2 every 60 seconds. This is a wide autopilot trick which you can use to make money right away. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is a very simple thing. You don't need excess work. All you need to do is a very simple issue. What you need to do right now is, first of all, you're going to head to YouTube. What to do is go to YouTube or any YouTube player, you search for make money online, something of this nature. Let's assume we're going to work on this, and $2 every minute right now, fast paper money. So you can see different kind of videos on YouTube about make money and so on and so forth. So all this that you have, what you're going to do is, first of all, you just click and open each and any one of them. You just open it down. You are not going to do anything. You are not going to upload video. You are not going to do any serious work on it. So it's a very simple, straightforward work. So what you're going to do right now is open this. Then the moment you open it, then you go to your Facebook account. So when you log into your Facebook account, make sure you set up your profile and everything to be in order. So once you set up everything, and then the next you're going to move to step 3 of it. So right here you're going to move to step 3. Now the step 3 of this, we are going to a site we call Sniply. So Sniply is a site where we are going to shorten the particular or, and then it will give us what we call snippet. Okay, so what you need to do is to sign up an account if you have not signed up before. So what if you have account already, you log in. If you have you don't have account, then you sign up. The moment you click on sign up, then you click on this visit dashboard. So right here on the dashboard, once you are here, so the next thing you are going to do is we move on to the next stage. So the next stage here, we are going to a site we call AUTOPILOT. So AUTOPILOT is a kind of a CPA network where you can see different kind of offers about different things. And in most cases, it covers worldwide. So now once you are on this AUTOPILOT website, what you do is search for a very common something we can do, like let's say survey. A search survey, for instance. The moment you search, you see the list of other surveys that are up there. So then the next thing you are going to do is to look at the number of countries that are involved in the offer here. So we look at the offers that has a very large number of coverage. For instance, we have this survey covering about 253 countries. You can see, and the survey here is paying 0.45. That's 45 cents. Can you see it here? This one is paying 75. This one is paying $2. Can you see? So you can pick any one that you want to work on. This one that is paying $2 right here is UX. Are you getting it? So the survey is targeting only US country. Why this particular one is targeting, now if you look at the number of countries that this is targeting, it has about 253 countries. Okay, so if we look at it to preview this particular survey to know how it works, how it is, so here we open it and wait for it to load. So the moment it loads, it will show us exactly how the survey site or the landing page look like. So when we look at it, it's a very simple sign up, something that you can do. Anybody can do it, and you'll be making money right away. So what you do, the moment you finish loading, and you can see you have reviewed the landing page as it is now, a very simple something. Enter email, date of birth, you just register, and that's all. And you get paid. Okay, so you can see you get paid 0.4. Now assuming you send this to 1,000 people times 0.4, that's about 400 and something, right? Now we move on. So right here we click on this particular offer. So when you click on this particular offer, you allow it to load. So the moment you open in this offer, then the next is to do what? You click on join network. You join this now. You can see the countries that is targeting is about 253 countries. So when you trace this down, you look at your country, locate your country where you are. Let's, for instance, Nigeria. So Nigeria, for instance, is located here. You can see it, isn't it? You look for NG. Where do we have it here? So you locate your country in this order. You can see that so many countries are allowed to do this offer. So this is available worldwide. Okay, so you click on join the network. When you click on the join the network, then it will take you to the website where you can do what? Register. So right there, you just click on sign up. Then when you click on sign up, then for this, you fill your details, everything. The moment you fill your details, then you click on the login, and you'll be able to access the link. So you copy your own link. Okay, now the next, now that you have registered, you have gotten everything you need to do. So what next we're going to do is we can move on to the next stage. And at this point, what we're going to do is nothing much other than to do what? To get our own link. Okay, once you get your own link, what to do now is to move in to this particular stage where we stop at first. So what we are going to do here, right here, what we are going to do now is to click on this yellow button, create a snippet. Then the moment you click on create snippet, then the next is you pick your affiliate link, the particular link you are going to promote. Let's assume this is the link now. For instance, this is the link, affiliate link. You copy the link, then you come to this snippet. So right here, you paste your affiliate link here. So now here, what we are going to do is, remember I asked you to open your YouTube account, YouTube, then you select any of those videos that are available, okay, on the make money or any niche that you want to promote your offer, okay. So once you click on it and the video open, let's assume this is now the video, so you copy it, then you come to this snippet. So right here, enter the or, so right, you paste the link. So once you paste the link, then you set up the call to action. Call to action is what you want people, what you want them to see, and that will make them to take action. So you can create something like a new call to action. If you create new call to action, right here, you can select what you want people, the new call to action you want. So here, you click on this. Okay, let me take it over again. So you click on this, then right here, it will take you to this place. You enter the link, you copy from YouTube, then your call to action, you enter it, okay? Like this one, I enter earn $5 every 60 minutes, okay? So right here, the message, what message you want them to see? So you write the message here, earn $5 every 60 or every what? Every 60 seconds. Maybe you change it to every 60 what? Seconds. Every 60 seconds. Make what? Let's say $2. Make $2 every 60 seconds. Okay, so right here, I'll say click here to learn more. Then, what is the site where they are going to end this? So you copy the affiliate link where they are going to end that 60 every 2 minutes. So you copy it there, so which is the link to that survey where they just enter their details and then you get paid for it. Okay, so there, that is the button link where the button, when they click on the button, where is the site that it will lead them to? So right here, you put on it. So let's assume I'm going to leave it on this particular place now. Okay, so right here now you can click on customize. When you click on customize, you can use full or social widget identity. So if you have full widget, it will run around the bar. Okay, so now let's select full widget. So the next you click on snippet. So when you click on snippet here, it will now open immediately. Then it will give you updates. You can see it right here. So the next thing, you copy it. Then you go to your Facebook. This is now time to start driving traffic to what you want. So here we can click on visit this to see how it looks like. Okay, the moment you click on visit it to see how it looks like, it will load the page for you. Now wait for it to load to see what we're talking about. Now if you look at this downside, you can see right the button, the widget that we just created. Now you can see. So this is the name I set up, the account with, and $2 every 60 seconds. Can you see? So anybody that's watching this particular video, okay, the video didn't play. So the person that is watching this video, what will happen? We see this snippet down. We like to click here to learn more, or click here to sign up. Are you getting? Depending on what you set up. So once the person click here to sign up, what will happen? It will now take the person to your survey site where the person will enter the. You can see it here now. So it will now take us to this particular website where you can do 1 or 2 things, and the person will just sign up and then you get paid. Okay, that is how simple it works. About the $2, you pick survey or any of it and you get paid for it. Now this site I will just open now. I want to use it to show you something else again. This is another powerful site where you can also work and get paid $5 every 1 hour or thereabout. Okay, so you can see the little one. I just set up this account within and I did about 3 offers or so. So now you can see the balance already rose to $2.4. I still have about $0.4 pending. So all you need to do from here, the moment you have registered account with them, if you don't have before, then you log in. After you log in, now what I always advise people to do, the first thing so that you get the best offer, is download the browser we call this Epic browser. Okay, Epic privacy browser. The moment you download Epic privacy browser, then you set it up. Make sure you turn on the what, the if you are from country that, if you are not from US, so you turn on the proxy here, you turn it on, you choose to US. When you choose to use it, before you sign up in that account, then the moment you sign up the account now, so it will now take you to that. Okay, so it will take you to the particular website we're talking about. You can see it here. Okay, so right there you select the different offers that are available. Like in this case now, I have this offer which I wanted to work on, that is 0.55 cents. You can see 55 cents. So how do you do it now? You follow the instruction, then you copy this, Then like this particular one now says here, so it's a simple sign of Vinde research. So what I just enter the email, start earning, then I'll get paid. Are you getting it now? So just for instruction. Now what to do again is you come back to this particular website that we're talking about. Then once you are finished, then you sort it in the order of highest paying. Okay, when you select the most paying or the highest paying, it will show you from the beginning the ones offered that are paying highest. Okay, so you can see right here now the highest paying here is this, then followed by this. You can see it is in this order going down, 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 down. So when you continue doing offer, by the time you do 0.5 or 0.5 offer, 10 of it like that, you have gotten your $5 within 1 hour. Okay, it's very easy to do. These are just ways that you can use to make money immediately. Now we have done that. So what are you going to use now to start making money from this particular snippet we just created? So you copy the snippet, then you go to your Facebook. So you join different Facebook group. So like the example, the ones I have here. So you join any of them. Then the next thing you have to do, you open your Facebook group. The moment as you open, what next do you do? Then you start posting. You look for an image that people will just look at like this, and they will like to do what? To click on it. So if it opens, for instance, now here, I can come up here, then select any of the image I have. So in this case, I can pick any. Let's assume I want to work on this, earning $2 every 60 seconds. So you just click the image, then you put the message, comment below, or drop your name, your country, and your email. So any of this method that you prefer, okay, you do it like in what I have been doing before. Let me take a look at any of the ones I have. Now this one commented on my message here, mention you in a comment. Okay, let me scroll down. They like that. Then like your comments. What again? Scroll down. Okay, like in this case now, like your free paying 120. Which other one again? There's a particular one I wanted to look for on your photo. Now let's look at this. Okay, I'll wait for it to open. So the moment it loads, then will now, you see, people, something that will attract people. So what you just do, you post it and people will start commenting. So that make sure you don't post link on that particular post. Okay, don't add the link there. Make sure they have started commenting, then you can come and enter. So once they comment, you reply them and give them your what? Your link. When any person comments, then you reply and you put your link. So like in that order. So like in this case now, you can just come and scroll down. Like let's assume this is the comment. So somebody just comment. Now the next thing you have to do is you just post your link. Then you click enter. And I click here to learn more. So once you click, then it will reply the message. So the moment you reply, then the person will see it and say, okay, this is it. Then once the person open the video to watch, you can see as it is watching the video. I don't know whether this is my network. Let me quickly check it. So right here now, let me reload it and see if it will go. Okay. So the moment it's open, once it load now, then the person will now watch the video. Once they watch the video, then you will see the message, click end 0 every 60 seconds. Then the person will now click on this blue bar. Once you click on that bar, it will take the person to the page that your affiliate link. Alright. So once like that, as you reply them, once they go through it, as they are watching the video, all you are going to do is to be sharing people's video. As you are sharing it using this method, then when they click on the link, they sign up, you get paid. When they click on the link, you sign up, you get paid. So this is just the method. Alright. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. And thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Alright. So let me just fix this internet. It's very slow right now. So let me fix it, and then watch out for the next video. So subscribe so that you don't miss the next video that is coming. Thank you very much and remain blessed.